I'm gonna show you how to make one of the best hot wings. Hey salam, I hope you guys are well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making hot and spicy chicken wings. These wings are gonna be so delicious. I'm gonna serve these wings with a secret side, so make sure you watch till the end of the video. Trust me, you're all gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. Let's start with our chicken wings. I'm using here both the wingette and drumette. Now if you like crispy skin on the wings, then you need to cure it first. Add a good touch of salt and give that a really good mix with the help of your hands. This process will basically dry out the excess moisture from the skin, thus making it nice and crispy. Now you want to leave this to cure in the fridge for at least 24 hours. The longer you leave, the better it becomes. A spice mix for the hot wings. Here with the smoked paprika. Now with a good touch of garlic and onion powder. Cayenne pepper. For a bit more heat and flavor, you can use a bit of the chili powder. Some of this cumin powder. Freshly grounded pink and black pepper for more flavor. For herbs, I'm using here oregano and thyme. And finally with some of the citric acid and salt. Now you want to give this a really good mix. And our spice mix for the hot wings is done. It will go amazing with the wings, trust me. Now for our hot sauce for the wings, I'm gonna be doing a non-fermented version. It takes less time, easy to prepare, yet it's so flavorful. Grab yourself a blender with the roughly chopped red chilies. Red bell pepper, again roughly chopped and remove the seeds. Garlic cloves, make sure you get rid of the green sprout from the middle if there is any. 1 sun-dried tomato and a roasted red pepper for more flavor. Oh, it's gonna be so good. A little bit of this chipotle paste is gonna add a bit of the smokiness. Cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, good touch of salt. Let's remove any bitterness using a bit of the sugar. To add a bit more heat, I'm using red chili flakes. A tiny bit of MSG to bring all the flavors together. Some of the fresh black pepper. With a dash of black vinegar, has a very nice fruity flavor. And finally with the white or distilled vinegar. Now you want to cover and blend this until nice and smooth. Alright, let's check this. Amazing. Now we're gonna cook the rawness of this. Now turn the heat to low medium and remove all the sauce into a pan. Let the sauce cook for around 15 minutes. Make sure to scrape off the sides while it cooks and make sure nothing sticks to the pan. Now once the sauce is done, just turn off the heat and you want to pass it through a sieve. You don't have to do this, but it makes the sauce more nice, silky and smooth. Now don't throw this pulp away, we'll use it for something later. Now the sauce goes back into the blender. Here with the oil, we're using oil to emulsify the sauce a bit. It will bring all the ingredients together as well. Looks so beautiful. Ugh, oh my god. I always close this too tight, you know. The sauce has been beautifully emulsified. That's exactly what we're looking for. You can see it beautifully coats the back of the spoon. That's exactly what we're looking for. Have a little taste. That is so delicious. Has a really nice, tangy, salty, spicy flavor. So good. Our mouth-watering hot sauce for the wings. Done. Now using the same sauce, we can make another glaze for the wings. Here with the fresh mayonnaise, our hot sauce, some of the red chili flakes, squeeze in some of the fresh lime for more acidity, hint of this mint sauce for more flavor, and a light pinch of salt. Give that a really good mix. Have a little taste. That's perfect. Our fiery mayonnaise glaze. Done. Perfect. Now just before you start cooking the wings, make sure to remove it from the fridge at least 20 minutes. You don't want them to be cold when they go inside the oil. Bring the oil temperature to around 170 Celsius. So roughly around 330, 340 Fahrenheit. Bismillah. Make sure not to overcrowd, just fry some at a time. We're going to let this cook for around 8 to 9 minutes until the internal temperature has reached 75 Celsius or 165 Fahrenheit. And we're looking for a nice golden brown color on these. You would notice the oil temperatures might have gone down a little, so it's always best to control the temperature. Trust me, these are one of the best chicken wings that you guys gonna try. If you want the wings to be extra crispy, you can remove them and then you can fry it for additional 2 minutes twice at a high temperature. Alright, we have a nice beautiful golden brown color on the wings. We're gonna start removing them. And once you have removed them, you want to immediately season them. Alright, there we go. Bismillah. If you were to add the seasoning before, that would just burn. So this is the best time to season it, alright? Just make sure to drain off the excess oil, but don't dry them completely, alright? And like I said, immediately season them, alright? Don't go too crazy, just a little bit. With the wings again. Bismillah. For our cheesy and spicy chips, grab yourself a pan, heat with a good touch of oil. Add in some of the leftover paste. Our onions, peppers and chilies. You want to lightly saute these. Now once these are nicely sauteed with our cooked chips, a good touch of the seasoning, some of the grated cheddar, our amazing cheese sauce, just a little bit, some of the jalapenos, and finally some of the fiery mayonnaise. Oh, just look at that. A light touch of seasoning again. And finally we're gonna add some of the vinegar. Crank up the heat a little, give that a really good mix and let that cheese melt. Oh, just look at those. So delicious. Now just turn off the heat and let's remove it onto your plate. Our mouth-watering cheesy and spicy chips. Done. They look so delicious. You guys gonna absolutely love it. Remove your fried ribs into a bowl. Immediately season it again. Like I said, don't go too crazy. You can see they're nice and crispy. That's exactly what we're looking for. And now we're gonna glaze it with our sauce. So add a good touch of the sauce onto that. And just mix that. Look how beautiful that looks. Oh, it's a bit hot. Oh my god. Our beautiful hot and spicy chicken wings. Done. Looks so delicious, trust me. I'm not gonna bother with any garnishing. These look 10 out of 10. Alright guys, let's try our delicious wings. They look absolutely amazing. First I'm gonna start with our cheesy and spicy chips. Bismillah. Wow, these are packed with so much flavor, you know. Just a perfect side to go with our beautiful hot and spicy wings. Alright, on to our wings now. I'm so excited for this. Let's dig in. My favorite drumette. They look absolutely delicious. Bismillah. Wow. Crispy from the outside, so juicy, you know. They have a really nice kick to it and they're so tasty. Let's try this wingette. Bismillah. These wings are perfect for even a game day. Like I said before, you guys gonna absolutely love these wings. You guys gonna really enjoy these wings with your family and friends. The sausage is so perfect, you know. I promise you haven't tried wings like this before. I really hope you guys will enjoy this recipe. Can we please get this video to 5,000 likes? I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom. Make for your dad. Make for your family. Enjoy.